You can't just let me have my time.
My back hurts. Oh my god.
I thought I did.
Ooh.
Why does your back hurt,
my
Jack?
I will be their night.
I gotta get it blown out.
It's funny because you have. You think my eyes indisposed.
I'll take the
In disguise.
Oh, did you want it?
My power
Here, take it, take it, take it, Jake.
Did you see their faces? We home.
I can't hear these kids and I know they're annoying.
No, I'm laughing at Jack's impression because that was really good.
Yeah, let's just get good, guys.
Oh my gosh. Are you
I love making fun of French people.
Oui, oui. A baguette.
Oui, ho, ho, baguette, mademoiselle.
Kind of your opinions.
That sounded more Russian.
Yo, Frenzy's kinda OP, not gonna lie.
No, you see, I am Frenchman. You don't understand.
Wait for my clone. Wait for my clone.
Oh
Yeah,
my
he's
God.
discount Russian.
Soviets during the Cold War.
That is with America, and very much not French.
Is that the real Dr. Bread?
Yep.
Yo, I'm your biggest fan. Can you sign my Steam profile?
Yeah, for sure.
I just about held V and said, so anyway, how are the hostages doing?
Listen.
I'm
listening.
We all know
I haven't
pigs
been
are
able to talk for the past 5 minutes. I've just been hearing you.
Well, I'm listening.
Well, that sounds
Both
like
of
a
me
you
are
problem.
listening.
This is good. Now let's talk about how we
No,
Italian.
this is not how it's going to work right now. I'm definitely.
Standing.
120. You're gonna wall bang through that. Thank you. Russell? Russell! No! Oh my god! Okay. Jesus. Why?
Clutch.
It's so good, though.
It's so good.
Dude,
I
I
got a
hate
3
it.
key
Does
with a
not-
Spectre. What do you mean?
It does not click with my brain.
Well,
That cannot
You're
operate.
supposed to click with your fingers, silly. I mean,
What do you mean I'm not just supposed to? I really hope that came across the mic. I really hope
I
it
don't
did.
think it did. It was just quiet.
Fuck. Oh,
Why? Uh-oh. Wait, I don't like that.
Okay,
That-
I only
Were
have
you a tater baiter?
28 grenades left.
I'm a tater
Hopefully
here.
that's enough.
I feel like he
Can't stand that
either
guy.
actually hates him or
Hate that
actually
guy.
loves him.
He loves him.
Why do you hate him? Mustache, Electric Dave.
what? You're just spitting words.
They're the team names on the other team. Mustache and Electric Dave.
Jake,
electrifying.
new song name idea. On the same album, we have Mustache and Electric Dave.
Back to back.
Yeah, that's my name.
If you're trying to open up any illegal activities, let me know so I can help you out with it. Extra money on the side is always good.
He's got cousins from the east that can come in and
you know
help.
where to sidestep. You know where the cameras are and where they're not.
Cousins from the east and family in Italy.
Yeah,
Listen,
don't worry, they'll go with explosives too, don't worry.
Alright, if you just see one, oh, that's a lot of people. They somehow missed every shot on me. I got like fucking one of them for 13.
The Eric
No.
Andre's snowballing.
Most of this is not making it into a video.
Can you clip Buster Grumpy?
No! I will not!
Why would you say that so mad? I'm
No.
gonna go cry now.
No!
There's gonna be so much footage you can't use.
Yeah,
That's actually funny.
I can't wait
Busted
for
a
your next
Grumpy.
Valorant video, and it's just gonna be all of us
Busted a
laughing
grumpy.
at something that doesn't make sense.
She's gonna edit out our laughter into some other clip that isn't as funny.
Yeah.
Hey girl, do you smell that? Me neither. Start busting grumbles.
Don't say grumbles. It's grumpy or nothing.
Bro,
Not
somebody's
grumble.
trying to start the car again.
Nah, that's the bottom of the Windex cleaning their window.
Nah, man.
And somebody's wiping it too with the.
The way it's worked out in my head is Grumpy
Grumpy.
It sounds like
are
a
the
broken
shits.
record player that's stuck in the same 2-second loop.
Stop! Stop! Ow!
You sound like my car sputtering out on a warm summer's night.
Bro, she ran out of gas.
Like,
Looks
you
like-
need a pit stop, and you're a human.
Damn it, where's the
Those
new...
some squeaky bricks I hear?
Damn it, where's the
Nah,
new
it's just
station? I
SpongeBob
think I'm
shoes in that one
gonna be
episode.
neutral walking.
Nah, he's visiting the rock bottom people.
Can you tell me?
Please stop. Oh my god.
It said it was
Oh
full
my
like
God.
yesterday.
Okay, Kleenex.
Okay,
Yo,
grumpy.
is your guys game loaded?
No.
No.
Oh my god.
I was gonna say window cleaner and Windex, and then it just turned into that.
The Windex cleaner.
Machine.
Out the pizza.
Shut up, Jack.
Shut
I
up.
bet you enjoyed Planet Sheen.
You're not Phoenix.
Yet I am no flower.
You're not Phoenix.
Ooh,
Yo,
no,
who has the
God.
poster?
You're
Ooh.
not Phoenix.
Oh, stop.
Turn out.
Yo, what's the plural of moose? Is it meese?
Jack Gamer guy throwing it back. What? She blew it up in your hands?
You saw that too?
Yeah.
Grenade!
Raise if you. Oh, no.
Me?
Yeah.
What? Why would I do that?
Because you have
Like,
extra money.
I do not.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, you do. Wait, I
No, he
don't.
doesn't.
No, 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 no,
You shouldn't push A.
no.
I'm gonna tell you that one right now.
One enemy remaining.
What the fuck, Jake?
She's
Oh, I'm not
mid.
Viper.
Yeah, so she's actually gonna be coming out of right there. Oh, you see her? You see her? You see her?
Don't tell me these.
Don't do it, Jack.
things.
Don't do it, Jack. Don't do it, Jack. Jack, Jack, Jack.
I
Jack,
could.
Jack, don't do it. Jack,
Stop! I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Stop! I'm so scared. Stop it! Stop it!
Better and wetter. Hey, yo, we better and wetter out here. I'm lagging.
But you're not.
I'm gonna throw my mouse in my mouth!
Yummy.
Spike down B.
Placing swarm grenade. Placing swarm grenade out.
One enemy remaining.
To your left, Richard, to your left.
Out.
Yep, in there.
Team A.
Nice. It's like Oni Phantom.
The enemy only looks composed.
Their heart's still a different story.
Man.
What?
That's how much I hit that chamber for.
Anyone feeling generous?
You want to guess how much I hit him for?
Was it 8?
Yeah.
I wonder how I got that number.
I'm flip flopping.
I mean, that's an average of 3.
My brother in Christ.
That's like your favorite phrase to use.
My brother.
Why,
crushed my balls
I
with
st-
quick.
we started using it ironically, and then we started saying it unironically, and we can't stop.
Dudes go to a restaurant, order food, and like, You go, I don't like it. My brother in Christ, you picked it out.
Nah, even better, you go to Subway. The sandwich is horrible. My Habibi and Allah, you made it.
Won't fit your pants.
Can you take
30
my
seconds
pants
left.
and shit on them? Wait, I'm with the shoe with you.
Initiated.
One enemy remaining.
You know you didn't deserve that kill, right?
Alarm bot out.
No, she does. She does deserve it.
Placing swamp grenade. Out of
Against
charge
these
area.
guys, she does deserve it.
You know what? I agree with that. You got it. Interesting flash.
It's like I just.
Calculated.
It seems a price shit has some use after all, Killjoy.
The
Oh.
knife is worth it. I have
It's
to
like
put it on.
$50.
Yeah? Your point?
I could spend that on
That's
drugs.
money. Same.
Okay, then you do that.
Imagine spending money.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go call my coke dealer.
You said I
No,
have
do
to
it
spend
do
money
it do it on the
free
mic.
cookie.
Do it on the mic and then let's say oh shit and then turn it off.
It's great.
Hey, Johnny. Yeah. Got an extra brick. 1500. Oh, my bad. That's when.
Yes.
Get out.
Crap.
Don't get shot. Human brains are hard to replace.
Oh my god.
We're expecting all three of us to do it.
I wasn't, but that was so funny.
Sorry, there was a frog in my.
Good try.
Even with numbers. Remember.
No way!
It's my
favorite thing to do.
H.
Sheriff.
I'm not gonna say no.
Everyone makes fun of German efficiency. Ah, just keep laughing as you use all my gear.
Oh, that means I can do this. That's my favorite response to somebody starting a sentence with "Hey, that's."